This is a brand new 2013 Ford F-Series. This truck has an automatic transmission, a 6.2-liter V8, and the added safety and control of four-wheel drive. All of the following features are included: a low tire pressure indicator, traction control and stability control systems, a trailer hitch receiver, trailer wiring, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, a full-size spare tire, an anti-lock braking system, side curtain airbags, air conditioning, and an auxiliary power outlet. This automobile won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
Bayshore Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 4003 North DuPont Highway in Newcastle.